Hey everybody, this is a 2021 limited edition Ocean Teal Club Car Onward. What makes this limited edition, you ask? It's the color. It was used in 2021 and is now discontinued. As you can see, it is loaded. It came with the factory lift, 15-inch mag wheels, fender flares, brush guard, horn, turn signals, brake lights, driving lights, headlights, tail lights, all the kind of lights you could think of. Also has functional side Nerf bars, rear cup holders you can see. It's got the underseat cooler underneath here. We'll get this popped open. You can see that. You can put 6 packs of soda or anything you want to keep cold, Tommy. We've got grab bars on the side that are optional. We do have a stereo 4-speaker system with Bluetooth and USB port. So you got a charging port there. And then you have 2 more charging ports here. She only has 22 hours on her. She is just like new. And the poor sucker who had this got a permanent site where they do not allow gas golf carts. So his sad loss is your gain. So a couple of the other things this has, it does have the hitch for light duty pulling. Again, only 22 hours on it. It does have the 14 horse Kaler. Has enough power to climb anything with full passengers. Remember, like new, not abused. The owner just needs to get an electric cart, unfortunately. $12,500, it's yours. Give us a holler. What number should they call?
815-228-5090.
Call 815-228-5090. His name is Lauren. First come, first serve, no holds. Talk to you soon.